Hi guys,
Hi.
what's up?
Anybody there?
Welcome back, Juan. Yay. Welcome back to another mukbang, everybody. Today we are doing something different, going out of my comfort zone. As you all know that I don't make Korean food. But today I'm gonna try to make some Korean style pork backbone soup. Oh my gosh, my saliva is flying because I'm crushing the perilla seeds.
Smells so nice. Can you
It
smell it,
smells
guys?
so wonderful, you know.
Can you smell it, guys?
We're almost finished with the perilla because
Yeah.
we didn't have a good harvest last year. And guess what, guys? Guess what?
Get what?
I made kimchi today.
Go full on, baby. There.
I've made it before, but it never tastes good. But today,
That's
it tastes good.
So, what's the moral of the story? Try
Yeah.
until you succeed.
Because I saw that almost everybody likes to eat kimchi, which I am not good with Korean food because I don't really understand the concept, or I don't know. I don't really understand their cuisine. So, you know, but I'm trying. Maybe because I had a bad experience when we were in South Korea. Not a good experience. If you want to know about the story, let me know in the comment section and I'll tell you the story about it. Not a good experience, guys. But I heard that their food is very popular, so we're trying. Welcome back, everybody,
Welcome
to our
back.
kitchen,
Oh yes.
which I'm not gonna eat a lot, but I'm gonna cook.
Yes. And this is Papi.
She cut her hair.
Quite
video of that. Damo, quite
Oh, little Papi.
Spring is here, so she needs to cut her hair.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start cooking.
Yes. Bye. Bye.
Okay, we are gonna start with blanching the napa cabbage first. It will be just for a minute or a couple of seconds. Couple of seconds is not a minute, yeah?
No.
Let's blanch it for like around 40 seconds. And we'll take it out and shock it in cold water to stop it from cooking and retain the color. I took out the bok choy already, and then in the same water we're going to boil our meat for at least like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. And then we will drain it and wash it and then boil it again. Start cooking by then. There you go. Okay, the meat is boiling for about 5 to 7 minutes. And I ate some bay leaves. I forgot to record that one. Now we're gonna throw the water, wash it off all the scums, everything, and then cook with a fresh new water. Okay, so the meat is washed and everything is changed with water and everything. We have fresh water there. Got some garlic, some green onions, slightly mashed, and one onion, regular onion, and some ginger. Now we're gonna cover this and cook for an hour and a half slowly, but we're gonna add some more ingredients. We're gonna add a whole potato, not cut, because this is gonna be cooked for a long time. Let's use 3 potatoes. It's just the 2 of us, so that should be good. Cover and cook. Our meat has been cooking for 30 minutes. Now we're gonna do another ingredients for the meat. We haven't add any spices yet. So I have here some perilla powder, roughly grinded with my pestle, and since I don't have a Korean soybean paste, I'm gonna use my stinky soybean AXONE And some chili powder. We haven't added any salt yet, so I'm gonna use some fish sauce according to your taste. Now, over here, I'm gonna add some broth from the pork. Got some broth. Stir it well. Of course, the color is gonna be different, you guys, because chili powder is not from India or not from Korea. Over here, whatever I can find. Oh, and then one more is missing. Some garlic. There you go. We will mix everything together. Now we're gonna add this into our soup. Let's add the ingredients now. The sauce, actually. Okay guys, the soup has been cooking for almost 2 hours now. Everything is cooked. The meat is like almost full of the bone now. Now let's add our, if you remember, our naba cabbage that we blanched before. There you go. And since we love vegetables a lot, as you all know, we're gonna add some bok choy also. Some green onions. And some fresh chilies. We're gonna cover and cook this for about 5 minutes, and our pork backbone soup, Korean style, will be ready. Here you go. Okay, guys.
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna move
All
the
done.
table like this. Sorry,
Hey.
guys. Sorry, guys. Okay. Yeah, I'm just trying to make geometrical shapes
Yeah.
because our house behind is not.
So
Yeah,
this is our soup,
This is the
pork soup,
cannot-
Gamjatang,
we
something
cannot
like that.
Angle it.
Yeah, we cannot.
But lift it up. Let them see a little bit. Like this. Yeah, should I do it like this? You can see. Pork.
Pork.
Porca. I'm looking forward for the greens there.
Honey, the plate needs to be there because
So how we did this?
I don't know.
Korean. Let's see. 감사합니다.
We're not familiar with Korean food, yeah? As you guys can see by now.
So if there's any Koreans watching, explain us a little bit in a comment, you know? We would like to learn. We like to learn every cuisine.
Yeah. That's good. The soup is excellent.
Do not slurp the rice.
They know how to slurp.
I
We don't know.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
That's why I asked you yesterday, remember? Like, how do they slurp and never get choked?
Don't know. I just got choked.
Honey, can I have a napkin, please? I'll use that as my plate here for the bone.
But why don't you use my plate for that?
For you.
Okay, guys. How is everybody?
We'll try to enjoy this, yeah?
We are enjoying this. It's a lot of greens, first of all. There is potato, second of all. And there's meat, third of all. So there's no way we cannot enjoy. And fourth of all, we have rice with beans.
Oh yeah.
Come on, come on.
Made rice with pinto beans.
I ate a couple of times in my last couple of days. I ate with chopsticks. That's why you might see my technique improving. Still not good. Still not good. How does your hand doesn't get tired, baby, when you're eating with chopsticks?
I don't know. They should be.
Yeah.
But even in Nordics, a lot of people, they're crazy about Koreans. So they like to eat with chopsticks.
Oh, good.
That's good to learn other people's culture, you know?
Yeah, definitely.
Anyone that I know, they're crazy about Korean stuff. Food.
Baby, real good.
The potato is so good, baby.
How do you... Okay.
Use the plate. That's why I gave you the plate.
No, plate is for bones. I understand. Perite. Should I give her a piece of meat? Or this is too spicy for her?
No, not yet.
Not yet, Bella.
Let her be.
What do you say about Bella's haircut?
Yes, guys. If you haven't checked it out, please check it out on our vlog. Bella's haircut day.
Yeah. In the last video, I think she was in, yeah? Mukbang.
No, she was just jumping.
Oh, okay.
But today she was there in the beginning, honey.
In the beginning.
The beginning.
True. Well, this is the first time you see Bella after a haircut.
Let us know, guys, if you're a Korean food fan. What's the best food? Korean food?
That we can make.
Or that we ever tried.
Or that you ever tried, yeah.
Yeah.
For me, I just tried a couple of foods, but I cannot still see the difference, baby.
Because you tried the barbecue.
I tried the barbecue.
You can't make out from barbecue, baby.
And then I tried this bibimbap.
I tried the bibimbap too.
And I tried, what else? Kimchi, but that's not the food. I mean, that's not meal. But I mean, kimchi, yeah.
I made kimchi today.
Yeah. You did? You want to show them?
Sure, you want to try?
I do. Fresh kimchi la.
Yeah.
Oh.
I did lah.
Okay, guys. Should I show them?
Yeah.
Okay.
We showed you them already before.
I know, but this is what I'm gonna try now. Oh, this is too big piece, baby.
It's very important to understand the cuisine.
Yeah.
You want to cook it, you know?
It's the best thing to go and try it in some like local restaurant when you know it's not like fancy but it's old school, and you try it there. Or if you're lucky, go to somebody's family and let the grandma cook for you. You know, oh yeah, that's the best meal.
The best. Are you trying the meat or not, baby?
I'm trying the meat, but I cannot take it off the bone.
That's the whole point of this.
Uh-huh.
You have to bite it with your mouth.
Yeah.
That's why I cook it so long.
I can take it with my. I tried a couple of pieces, baby. It's
Since
really
we don't have all the ingredients for the Korean soybean paste, I don't even know how it tastes like. I have to use my AXONE paste.
Good old AXONE. Whatever they say. There in Tennessee, baby. The meat is so tasty, baby.
Can eat.
I'm fine. I like these pieces that I got. They're like chunks of meat. You know? I don't want any bones and stuff. Don't eat those things.
The meat is from the bones, honey.
I know. Grazie.
Bella, mesto, burzo mesto. One to you.
What happened to you, girl? You go.
No, honey, I'm good. Like I said before, cooking. I will always be cooking, but I will need someone to eat my cooking, eh?
The way you imagined it.
Korean
But
food,
I know,
Korean food.
But I know how you feel, baby, when you're eating
What?
food with me that's from your place. It's like you cannot tell me, oh, can you feel that or this? Because I'm like, what's this taste I never tasted before? You know what I mean?
But you eat everything, but you just eat.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah. I don't enjoy, yeah? I mean, I enjoy certain things, yeah?
Yeah, but the thing is that you do not grow up eating this. I think my nose is leaking again.
Yes, nose. Here you are, my love.
So good. I love that soup. That spoon is too narrow. I'll use this one. Fubu, no! So good.
You know what I think? If I can say my opinion, if this was in some kind of a bite-sized chunks, you know, that you can bite it, like, but not struggle with it, but just.
So good. So good.
This is bone. This is bone.
Drink this. Let me find you. Good one, honey. Drink the soup.
Yeah, just let me take this meat.
I have to teach you how to eat this kind of bones. You see? You just hold it here, baby. Video of it. You just hold it and then you grab it. Not grab it, you bite it. Not now. It's hot with your teeth. That's my throat.
Burning?
Making sound.
I didn't hear it. Oh, can you get a little bit of rice, please?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a spicy, huh? Give me a little bit of spicy too. Sorry.
Right there. Here.
Look at
I
that.
dropped the rice.
Oh, this is, which one is this?
Bucholokia.
Bucholokia.
I'm actually sweating.
You are?
I'm eating that.
That's because you're sitting close to me.
Baby, the soup is too good.
Yeah.
It has a little bit of a honey smell.
Oh, baby, this soup. Oh, it's tasty, baby.
I'm done.
Yeah. There you are. You see, before I met you, I would never even think of eating this, you know? And now, I'm getting braver and braver. I know, it's funny.
It's all about who cooks in the house. If, for example, your father was a cook in the house, you will be eating everything.
Yeah, maybe.
Because father eats everything.
Yeah, fair point.
Mom doesn't like to eat.
This and that.
Mom likes specific things, you know? And mom is the one who cooks. So... He's exactly like his mom. I think your brother is worse.
Well,
when I say worse, means like not in a bad way, but not eating
picky. More picky.
None of them, both of them are like their father. Father eats everything.
Good job, Ella.
Father doesn't feel good if I eat pig feet and I don't give him. He's like, oh, big feet, you don't give me, like that, you know?
I think if he would move to your place, he would be okay.
He would be very happy,
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah. Because
with the food, except the lifestyle.
No, he would love it. He would fix a lot of things all around.
Yeah.
Make a windmill or whatever, you know?
That's true. Oh my gosh, this soup is so good, you guys.
Very good, yeah. Good. What do you got?
Good job, honey.
Uh-huh.
So today we made Korean style Gamjatang, something like that. I don't know.
Sorry about that, guys.
Not so good with the Korean food, so not sure. But let us know, guys. Don't you move?
Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, everything. Comment down below. And see you in your next episode, yeah?
Yeah. See you in the next mukbang with new recipe.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Boo, say bye. Let's say ciao.
Ciao.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.